Welcome to Review Rumble. The best tie-dye kits are probably one of the most vibrant and creative ways to unleash your child's artistic potential, transforming plain fabrics into wearable masterpieces with explosions of color and unique patterns, making for unforgettable craft sessions and personalized fashion statements that truly stand out, offering endless hours of fun and a tangible sense of accomplishment for young artists. Number 5. Blowfish Malibu Kids Saggio-K. Discover the perfect footwear for your little ones. These stylish shoes are designed with active kids in mind, offering both comfort and a trendy look. They feature a cushioned footbed, ensuring comfort from morning play to evening adventures. Your child will love how good their feet feel all day long. With their modern design, they effortlessly complement any outfit. Whether for school or a playdate, they add a touch of cool to every step. Designed for busy kids and parents, they are easy to slip on and off. This makes getting ready a breeze, saving time for more fun. Crafted with durable materials, they can withstand the rigors of daily wear and tear. These shoes are ready for all their jumps, runs, and explorations. Available for both little kids and big kids, finding the right size is simple. They provide excellent support for developing feet at every stage. What we like? This shoe offers a stylish design perfect for daily wear. Its comfortable fit ensures your child can play all day without discomfort. If you're looking for a durable and fashionable shoe that combines comfort with everyday style, this is a great choice for active kids. What people say. Number 4. Mojidecor 32 Color Tye Dye Kit. Discover endless possibilities with this all-in-one clothing dye kit. It provides everything you need to transform ordinary items into vibrant masterpieces. This kit comes packed with 32 colors, bottles, rubber bands, gloves, aprons, and more. You'll have enough supplies to create up to 80 unique projects. No need for pre-soaking or heating fabrics. Just add water to the bottles, shake, and start dyeing your pre-washed fabric. It makes designing personalized gifts incredibly easy. Crafted from environmental, non-toxic, and odorless materials, it ensures safety for all ages. Everyone can enjoy the fun of DIY dyeing in a secure environment. Use it on t-shirts, hoodies, socks, dresses, and even home decor items like pillowcases. It's also perfect for birthday parties, summer camps, or any group activity. These dyes provide vibrant, long-lasting hues that won't bleed or fade after washing. Remember to seal your dyed items for 24 hours to ensure full pigment saturation and brightness. What we like? This kit boasts an impressive 32 vibrant colors and enough supplies for up to 80 projects. It's incredibly easy to use, requiring no pre-soaking of fabrics. If you're planning a large group activity or want maximum color variety for extensive DIY projects, this comprehensive kit is your go-to. What people say. No positive reviews with product details were found in the provided source. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 3. HIPPIE Crafter Premium Tye Dye Kit. Unleash your creativity with 24 ultra-pigmented dyes. These professional-grade colors produce rich, bright designs that stay vibrant even after repeated washings. No experience? No problem. This kit includes detailed instructions, making it easy to create up to 6 shirts or dozens of other items. Its resealable bottles and case allow for multiple creative sessions. Everything you need is right here, from 24 dye powders and squeeze bottles to gloves and a workspace sheet. Just add water, and you're ready to start your tie-dye adventure. Enjoy peace of mind with non-toxic dyes and effortless cleanup. Simply gather waste on the included sheet and dispose, then store unused items in the resealable container for next time. This premium kit comes from a family-owned American small business dedicated to quality art supplies. They pride themselves on exceptional customer service and are always ready to support your creative journey. What we like? This kit offers 24 rich and vibrant colors, perfect for creating professional-grade designs. Its resealable bottles and included protective sheet make for easy cleanup and multiple projects over time. If you value high-quality dyes and a convenient, mess-free experience for repeated use, this premium kit is an excellent option. What people say. No reviews found in the provided source JSON to extract points from. No reviews found in the provided source JSON to extract points from. Number 2. Tulip One-Step Tye Dye Kit. Discover endless possibilities with this vibrant tie-dye kit. It's perfect for large groups, gifts, or anyone looking to add a splash of color to their world. This kit provides enough supplies for up to 36 unique projects. Gather your friends and family, there's enough for everyone to enjoy. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just add water to the pre-filled bottles to activate the dyes, and you're ready to create. Forget the hassle of pre-soaking fabrics in soda ash. This innovative formula eliminates that step, making your tie-dye experience smoother and faster. A step-by-step guide is included, showcasing over 8 different tie-dye looks. You'll have all the inspiration you need to craft amazing designs. It comes with 18 easy-squeeze bottles of highly concentrated, non-toxic dyes in 14 popular colors. Plus, a reusable storage bin keeps everything organized. What we like? This kit simplifies the tie-dye process with its one-step dyes, eliminating the need for pre-soaking. It can handle up to 36 projects and comes in a handy reusable storage bin. If you're organizing a medium-sized group activity and appreciate a straightforward process with easy storage, this kit is perfectly suited for your needs. What people say. Number 1. Wright Creations 26-Color Tie-Dye Kit. This all-inclusive kit provides everything needed to kickstart a tie-dye party. It's ideal for birthday parties, school projects, or unique fabric designs. Create vibrant designs on fabrics like cotton, wool, and rayon. It's not just for t-shirts, you can use it on shoes, hats, or pillowcases. With 26 unique color shades, including black, blue, and green, it allows for endless creative expression. It even includes gloves for protection, ensuring the dye stays on your fabric and not on your hands. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, this kit makes tie-dyeing accessible for everyone. Detailed, step-by-step instructions guide you through the process, making it a fun activity for all ages. This comprehensive kit includes 26 liquid dye bottles, 5 pairs of gloves, and 5 aprons. You'll also find a table cover, 120 rubber bands, and a step-by-step guide for a successful experience. What we like? This kit provides 26 unique liquid colors and is compatible with a wide range of fabrics like cotton, wool, and rayon. It's designed for all skill levels, from beginners to experienced artists. If you're looking for a kit that offers broad fabric compatibility and caters to diverse artistic abilities, this versatile set is an ideal choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.